At Gaotiao Grand Market in Changsha City, central China's Hunan province, about 40% of the 2,000 tons of coffee beans sold in 2022 were imported from Africa. The market opened an Africa Coffee Trade Center in 2020 to promote the import of African beans. Through the center, Chinese buyers can bypass intermediate dealers to sign deals directly with African farmers, thus reducing costs by 30%. The center also serves as an exhibition and distribution center, as an incubator for new brands of African coffee. In addition to China's expanding market, the country's continuous efforts to simplify import procedures for African agricultural products have paved the way for African coffee to enter Chinese cafes and homes. Among 21 pilot free trade zones in China, the China-Hunan Pilot Free Trade Zone has the task of building a demonstrative highland of cooperation between China and Africa.
我叫金建华，今年是从事咖啡的第24个年头。那伴随着中非经贸的深度发展，从我们企业而言的话呢，有更多的机遇，可以更好的去整合和了解非洲的咖啡资源。之前呢，我们在采购咖啡豆的时候，需要依赖于第三方，价格比较昂贵，而且咖啡豆品质不够新鲜。现在通过中非直采可以降低我们整个咖啡生豆成本15%到20%。在自贸区的政策之下，我们成立了咖啡的烘焙工厂，整个综合成本下降了接近30%。